Is supply chain logistics a good degree? Yes, supply chain logistics is a highly sought-after degree in today's competitive market. With the rise of e-commerce and globalization, companies are emphasizing efficient supply chain management more to stay ahead in the industry. Pursuing a degree in supply chain logistics can lead to various career opportunities in diverse industries, such as retail, manufacturing, transportation, and more. It also offers stability and job security as the demand for skilled logistics professionals grows. Moreover, a degree in supply chain logistics equips individuals with valuable skills, such as problem-solving, organization, and communication applicable in various fields. This makes it a versatile and valuable degree for those looking to enter the workforce or advance their career in the logistics industry. Pursuing a supply chain logistics degree can be a wise investment for those interested in this field. There are also opportunities for specialized degrees and certifications within the logistics industry, which can further enhance one's skill set and career prospects.